Hey guys, so today me and my sisters are gonna make a red velvet cake for my mom for her birthday. So here's the instructions. You need 1 cup of water, 3 large eggs, and half of a cup of vegetable oil. Here's my sister pouring in the cake mix. Here's my other sister pouring in the water. She didn't add all of it. Now we only added 2 eggs. So she's adding 1 egg and my other sister's adding the other egg. Okay, now the vegetable oil. We didn't measure the vegetable oil. My sister just poured it. Okay, now I want it to mix. So here's me mixing it. It's coming all together. Okay, here's it after I've mixed it all together, and here I have some Oreos that I'm gonna crush up with the paper towel holder. Now I'm pouring the red velvet cake batter into the pan. We made 2 pans to make a 2-layered cake. Putting that in the oven carefully. Now I'm gonna close the oven and I put it on the oven on 350. I also added icing into the Oreo bag to use it as a piping bag. Okay, here's the final results of one of the cakes. Now my sister's gonna put that one on top. We're just letting the cakes cool before putting on the frosting. We're just taking them out of the pan to help it cool down faster. Here it is. It looks like a sponge, of course. Okay, now I'm going to make it flat, and now I'm going to shape it even with the knife. Okay, it's not that even, but I tried. Okay, that's the leftover cake. Be sure to save that. Now my sister's putting frosting in the middle to stick the cakes together. Now place it on top. We should have added more frosting in the middle. Okay, now adding the frosting on top with the knife. It was much easier with the knife than with the spatula. Now I'm just spreading the frosting on top. We're using cream cheese frosting. I forgot to show you guys. Okay, there it is. Okay, here's the cake all covered. Now we're gonna add the crushed Oreos to the sides of the cake. We washed our hands. Be sure to wash your hands before putting your hands on the food. Okay, we also added Oreos to the top. Okay, here's me using the DIY piping bag to make decoration on the top. Now I'm gonna add some leftover frosting to the plate. Here's us crumbling the leftover red velvet cake on top and adding some Oreos around it and added some more Oreos on top. Here's the final results. Comment if you like it. Happy birthday, Mom. Love you. Hope you like it.